3 reasons why you should go and view an open house. Reason number 1, you do not need a pre-qualification letter. So normally when you are going to view a home with an agent, or if you are going to ask an agent to view a home, they are going to ask you for a pre-qualification letter. Pre-qualification letter basically is a letter that is letting your lender know that you are qualified to purchase that house. But whenever you are going to open houses, you do not have to take a pre-qualification letter with you. Second reason why is because you are able to meet your potential agent that you're going to be working with. Every time you go to an open house, there is going to be for sure an agent there. There may or may not be a lender there, but for sure there will be an agent there. And when you go to the open houses, you are able to get a feel of the agent. You are able to get to know the agent. You are able to see how they are, what their personality is like, and you're able to see if that is an agent that you are going to want to work with in the future. When you're buying a home or you're selling your home, that is the biggest transaction, one of the biggest transactions you will ever make in your life. And you want to make sure you are working with somebody that you like and somebody that you trust. So going to different open houses will give you the opportunity to meet those agents and see which one you want to work with and potentially help you with your home buying, home selling process. The third reason why is because you are able to see what your money can buy. It's good to go to those houses that are in that price range that allows for you to see what can you buy with your money. If you want to, get a pool, if you want, a house with good lighting, if you want a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, if you want a 2-car garage, all those types of amenities and those types of things that you want in your home, you going to view homes is going to allow for you to see those things and see what you want. It may be some things that you see in a home that you never even thought that you wanted in your home, but it's good to go to open houses because it allows for you to see those things. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video gave you guys some good tips. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.